Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ashraful Kabir, teacher of Chandanbari Pilot Girls High School. My dear friends and viewers, I am in front of you again. Welcome to our Facebook Live, and that is brought to you by Chandanbari Pilot Online School. Dear friends and viewers, everybody, I think you are well. I am also okay by the grace of Allah. My dear friends and viewers, watching my class, so a lot of thanks for everybody. That is my second class of this line. My dear friends and viewers, I do not lose my time. Now I will start my main session, that is my class. Dear friends, today my lesson is email writing. That is guide writing or writing. Dear friends, yesterday I have discussed about grammar. So today my topic is somewhat different. I have decided I will discuss about guide writing, that is email writing. Dear students, email writing is very important for all classes. So I have indicated the subject all classes. Dear friends, I have written a question, that is, what is email? My dears, some of students of you know about what is email. Again, I want to say about the meaning of email. Email is an electronic Dear viewers, email is an electronic mail, that is, it is run by internet. At present, everywhere we use mobile phone, laptop, desktop, etc. So, email is very important. Letter application have passed many years ago. At present, we widely use email. So, every class, email is very important. Now, we will discuss how to write an email. Dear friends, types of email. Dear friends, would you tell me how many kinds of email? I think some of students know about that. So I want to share with you. There are two types of email, that is strong ID email and weak ID email. Now I will discuss about strong ID email. Strong ID email is a large and uncommon ID, and weak ID email is short and simple. It is very common, hardly common ID. So we call that weak ID email. I think everybody understand it. Dear friends, have you complete? Now I will brush it. Dear friends, characters of email. There are few characters of email you have know if you write an email. Now I will discuss about that. Dear friends, number 1, you have to remind that have to use letter, punctuation, number and combination. Combination means letter application added is combination. Second, have to use small letter. Email ID, in email ID you have to use must small letter. If you use in capital letter, your email ID is not correct or cannot be shown. Don't use capital letter. Number 4, don't use any space. Dear viewers and friends, you must not use any space or capital letter in your email ID. If you use capital letter or space, your email cannot show. Dear friends, I think you are enjoying my class. Have you complete? Okay, I will brush it. Dear friends, now I will discuss about formula of email ID. Email writing, formula of email writing. Dear friends, at present you have to draw a box in your khata. This is the box for writing email ID. email. At first, you have to draw a box in your khata, because every email show in computer it was a box. At first, you have to write corner point of the box. At first, you have to write form in the corner point of the box. Dear friends, I have written form in the point of the box ohana08@gmail.com. Dear friends, I have discussed about strong ID and weak ID. That is letter and number. Letter and number combination we use in this email, so it is somewhat strong ID. Two, which person we write to email, that is two. Dear viewers, if you email ID you will use, that is date of year. You have to use gmail.com, yahoo.com, anything. Dear friends, send option you have to write day, date, year and time. Sunday, dear viewers, send option I have written date Sunday, month 10th May, year 2020 and time 10:30 AM. Dear friends, here if you want you have to use exam date. Subject you have to write about the email. As for example, dear viewers, this is subject of your email. Give up bad habit. Imagine your email is about give up bad habit to your friend, so you have to write subject give up bad habit, and then dear friend or your father, mother, elder brother, anything you have to use in this email. Dear friend, you have to use a comma or salutation. Dear friend, I am discussing about formula of an email. If you know a formula about email, you have to write any email. Dear friend, I have written, hope you are well. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. I am going to tell about you. If you do not about the describe of your selected email, don't worry. If you write the formula, you will get 60% of mark, full mark. You have to get 60% of full mark. If you do not write the describe of your selected email, understand? Dear friends, last part of an email you have to write, no more today, take care of your health, salam your mother and love to the yoga. If you write the email your father, the sentence somewhat may be different. Dear friends, now if you possible something describe, you will must describe about the subject. About the subject. Maybe you will write about the subject to your friend. My dear friend, I have know about you. At present, you are affected with drugs. It is very harmful to a man. So, you are only one boy of your family. So, your family depended on you. I am advising you. Recently, you have to remove the smoke and draft edition. If you possible, you will write above the dotted line. Otherwise, you will get 60% of mark of full mark. My dear friends, I have discussed about email writing. I have discussed how many types of email writing. You have know about the email writing. There are two types of email writing, that is strong ID and weak ID. And I have discussed about how many characters of email writing. You know that we have discussed 4 characteristics of email writing. That is, don't use capital letter. You have to use small letter, number, punctuation mark, and punctuation number combination. Dear friends, you do not use any space, any capital letter in your email ID. Dear friends, I have discussed about from to, send, subject, dear friend, and last part of email. In this formula, after use, you will possible any subject of your email. So, dear friends, today I have discussed full class by English. I think somewhat difficult to you, but if you try after try, I think it is easy for you. Don't worry. Already my time is about to end, so I have to go in front of you. You are watching all classes. Thank you. Thank you for every students, every viewers. Goodbye to all.